Hi, I'm Michael from the Data Bytes. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Power BI to BTC Explorer. All right, so first of all, you'll need to open up Power BI Desktop. Once you get that open, you can go to Get Data, go down to the web data source. You'll need the URL of the website you're trying to scrape that data off of. So we'll go to this explorer.btc.com. It's going to use stats/rich list. So we'll grab that. See down here the data is going to be pulling from. Throw that in here. We're going to use the basic URL right here. You could obviously go or add that, but I don't have any use for that. Push OK. Alright, so I'm just going to use the anonymous right here, and I'm going to use that root level. Alright, so it's got a couple tables right here. You can see this one has all the column names on here, but it basically has all that data we were just seeing on that web page. This one is pretty much the same, except for no column names, the HTML code, and display text. So we're going to go over here to this primary table. We're going to load it. You could transform it with Power Query, but I don't need to. I'm just going to go for load. I'm going to let this run. And it is pulling it in. All right, there she is. Okay, so you'll see your table over here. It's going to have that. It's going to have everything as you'd expect. All the different columns we just saw. So this will be the ranking, the address, the balance, the first transaction time, the last 30 days, and the last transaction time for hierarchies. So we will put those out. It's going to default to this, so I'm going to change that to a table so it's a little bit easier to view. Bring this down. You can see all that data is right there. The one neat thing you might want to play around with is grabbing the addresses over here and making that into a stat column chart or something. Through the balances, you can get an idea of who have the largest wallet address, how much larger it is than everyone else. I kind of see sort of the top 100. So I thought it was pretty cool. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe. Also, give me any comments or questions below.